guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a video using just script on CapCut browser. So go to Magic Tools again, select script to video. You can use this to use AI writer to generate scripts or enter a script yourself. I'm just going to copy and paste an example script. I'm also going to select a voice for it. You can also select the aspect ratio for it. I'm just going to select 1:1. You can custom generate it and add the media to match the script, or you can select smart generation. And what that means is that they're going to find videos themselves and generate it into like a video by just words that you like typed, or even by using like an AI to generate it. And here's the video. So cool. You can edit it here, but you can just export it once you're done, like here, and export, and then you can like download it later on. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.